I've been to Palestine 3 times, I think, with the international department doing a workshop with playwrights in Palestine. And they have, I believe, written plays, which they've handed in now. We're getting them translated. We started off quite basic. They hadn't much experience of writing plays, so it was me and Mike Bartlett and Elise Dodgson. And so, yeah, we just, I guess, start with things that I learned here in the writing group. What is a play? Action.
What is a play?
I don't know. Yeah, you ask them, really. The book of Sarah Kane plays, which I read all in one go, having not heard of her before, I don't think, just was very inspirational and made me, I think there's something, about the way that she articulates pain and truth and reality that inspired me. Not that I particularly write like that, I don't think, but the honesty. And I feel like this building has nurtured that and allows you to feel like those are the kinds of stories that you can tell because plays like that have been on here. So I think it was the writing and the fact that I'd read in the introduction that she never wrote anything, that they were very violent plays, but she never wrote anything in them that she didn't read had happened in the world. So it was all true things, but like put into a kind of poetic play. So actually that violence is real. It's not, she's not making it up or pushing it down your throat, it's true. What you feel here is that it's about the play, not about the commercial success of the play. So some of the most, like the plays that you read and are inspired by that have been on here have like historically done really badly, or, so there's there's just something about that. You feel that here it's just about the art rather than, selling the tickets or something. And I feel like that allows you to survive, really, so long as you have like funding, I guess. And also that it's all different things. The things that you read, they're not just one particular kind of play. There's loads of different kinds of play. I think that as a playwright, what you feel here is that there's a place that wants new plays and does new plays and doesn't do anything else except new plays. And so even if they reject your new play, you could always write another new play and maybe it would go on here. And I just think it would be terrible to lose that. And so I wouldn't want that to change. That I would want to stay the same. I have a vivid memory of when I was doing one of the writers' groups here that I did. We did a lock-in where we all locked ourselves in the site, just like one room, and we all basically spent all night writing our play. And that was the first time that I'd written, I got to the end and wrote the end of The Village Bike, which is the play that was then on upstairs here. I suppose my memories here are weirdly not necessarily as much of plays I've seen, but of people that I've been introduced through here, playwrights that I feel like I wouldn't know otherwise, a community that I feel like I wouldn't have if I hadn't done groups here and worked here and things like that.
We'd like you to finish this sentence, and the sentence is, if the Royal Court didn't exist.
I just think there would be less plays. That would be a tragedy.